mentioned earlier.
Sino nag-enjoy ng bead bar?
Yeah, so we we specialize in accessories mostly, but we also do clothing. So an example of this actually is our holiday collaboration with Anthill, which I'm wearing right now, which is the Coral Bloom Cup. So it's made out of Anthill scrap beads. Yeah, so aside from this, we also have other collab pieces with Anthill, which are our bag charms and our hair bands. So you can look at all of these more closely later. So we're so excited to be doing a third month here at Power Plant Mall, and thank you guys for making time to visit our line. Cyrus.
Hello. Hi, my name is Cyrus of Studio Series Dan. So we specialize on fabrics. So anything that you can make with fabrics, textiles we can do. So like tapestries. It's also a furniture brand. So we do a lot of furniture using our fabrics. It's also a clothing brand. So underwear series Dan. We also have a cafe which has a lot of fabrics. So yeah, and we're also excited to be part of Nayan Natin. So it's such a fun place to meet like fellow designers, and I like what Anya said, cultural champion, because that's exactly it. Like we put fabrics forward, like slow fashion. So we're really happy to find and to bond with brands that are very much aligned to what we do, and to meet new brands as well. Like to see the future.
Not see the future.
I mean, kids. So really excited for that. So thank you for being here. So yeah. And the name future.
The future.
Hi, I'm Owen and Larry. We're from Andante. We're all about handcrafted leather footwear, and we're proud to say that they're all made in Marikina. We're just so happy to be invited by Anthill and to share the space with so many amazing brands. And we're just really excited because it's also our last month and we really need to up the excitement. So we're happy to announce that we have a special collaboration with Anthill, featuring their beautiful weaves with our leather footwear. And like people would say, oh, your brands are so different, but I think like what we have in common, what we connect together is that we have shared values, and we want to build communities. We want to celebrate and support our craftsmen and the art itself and uphold tradition. So I think it really makes sense that we have a collaboration.
Yeah, very well said. So, thank you. Palakpakan natin in the future. So, Anthill celebrates its 15th anniversary this year. So, yet a lot of people don't know about the work that we do because we are based in Cebu, Philippines. So we are a social and a cultural enterprise, and we support the livelihood of over 25 artisan communities across the country. So from Luzon to Mindanao, not just weaving communities but also craft communities. So among the products, you'll see a lot of plush toys. We also work with brass casters in Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. So in celebrating our 15th year anniversary, we wanted to do a collective pop-up because what really has propelled us to grow in Anthill is our collaborations. It's not enough for us to support the livelihood of our weaving communities if we don't work with designers such as Carla, Andante, and Cyrus, because they're really the ones that bring these fabrics to life. Sila naman yung nakakaalam kung paano siya gamitin to showcase to our audience or customers the different ways of experimenting on these fabrics, right? And I just want to highlight that each collaboration is very unique on its own. Carla, for example, is one of our very first circularity partner or circular design collaborator. Carla uses a lot of our retazos, yung mga weave scraps, kahit sobrang liit na, you'll see in our pieces, yung headband na yan, for example, na kaya pa niyang gawin and turn into a product. She turns the scraps into little tiny beads that she puts into her work. You can see there a very beautiful earring na gawa din sa mga weaves yung red. So si Carla is very creative and really brings magic into these pieces. Si Cyrus naman, can you see our beautiful backdrop? Yeah, so like Anthill has been known to be in the apparel line, but our fabrics can also be used in furniture and furniture accents, like house accents. So like these pillowcases, a lot of these are made out of fabrics from Cyrus's curation. So he travels a lot and curates different fabrics from all over. And this tapestry map is representative of the different weaves from Luzon to Mindanao. Yeah, so yan talagang sa Luzon yan. Tapos ito sa Visayas talaga, ito sa Mindanao. And ito na sa Cyrus. Yes. So for the holiday collaboration, we're launching these tapestries as a smaller version that you can put in your homes. So there's also a bigger size there. So
you can also buy this.
You can buy this. This is also for sale. We're all for. So we're launching this online for pre-order because Cyrus actually hand paints them. So you wanna talk about the process side? Like bakit yun yung mga icons mo?
Yeah, so I'm very much inspired by. Also, Studio Series is known first for being like, doing like home decor. So I started painting pillows 15 years ago. So, and then I got inspired by indigenous Filipino tattoos in the beginning. So you'll see a lot of, for example, yung mga tao, you'll see them in like indigenous tattoos as well in Cordillera. And then from then, I started to learn or to really, study yung mga iconographies ng Philippines, but not just Philippines, because Studio Series, although it's a Filipino brand, it has a local soul, it has a very global POV perspective, if you don't mind. So parang I travel a lot, and then I just got back from Vietnam yesterday. So I'm inspired by all the things that I see traveling. So they're ethnic arts as well, but very very ethnic and indigenous in look. So I'm inspired by that. So this is a Bathala, and he lords over the seas. And then you see a lot of the cross, which is like a sign of protection. And then I would mix them up with like space age kind of like design. So you have this, we call them satellite. I don't know if it makes sense. It makes sense to me. And then you have like the Sampaguita. So yeah, same with this. You have like the different versions of Bathala. So I make sure that all, so like Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, they have all their own protector.
Yeah. But so everything is very symbolic and meaningful, and that's really kind of what we want to celebrate here also. So I also want to highlight our collaboration with Andante. So weaves are rarely used for shows, and the reason why we decided to do this collaboration is we want to reach as many proud weave wearers as we can. And Andante has a very young demographic, and so we also want to be able to kind of let the young appreciate our culture and our weaves as well. So yun. Another thing, so as I mentioned earlier, what we're really all about here is celebrating craft. The common thread that ties all the brands here is really our love for craft, and that we're all champions of our Filipino weaving traditions and our Filipino artisans. All of us here work with very talented artisans from Marikina. Carla works with GK. We work with different communities across the country, and Cyrus works with a lot of amazing furniture makers and painters. So we started our pop-up in August, and then we decided to extend this month, and that's why you're all here today, to help to we want to be able to gain more storytellers to help us spread the word, spread the love for craft and culture. What we bring and offer here are really meaningful gifts, and so we wanted you guys to experience the very first Pasko sa Naya natin. Yung di ba ang Pilipino sobrang big natin on Christmas, and we're very big in sharing, gift giving, and celebrating things together. And dito din sa Naya natin, we're all about bayanihan, coming together to work for the same mission. So we call it actually a bayanihan pop-up. I want the brands to talk about why it's important for us to get more people to make the most out of our last month here. Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, it's nice. But I mean, you've been hearing the term "shop local" for a long time, and it's really, really nice. But I think it's about time to hear the word "gift local." So you know, you shop it and then you give it to someone else. So and it's really nice because now it's the perfect time for, I guess, shoppers to enjoy like the quality of handcrafted products, and you know, it's really nice because you help not only us but also the communities that you know that we help, and it really means a lot. Like because I know for a fact Anya do a lot of like research and go to the communities, and it's really nice to hear the stories on how their livelihoods has been changed because of the support that you know we give them, and we can only do that because of the support that you know the shoppers or the clients give us. So it's really, really meaningful to you know to know that. So yeah, excited.
Any words as to like why it's important for us to?
Okay, so I agree with Cyrus. So like when you shop here, you're really helping someone like directly. Kasi we all work with like very like small communities and like our artisans like Anya mentioned. And each purchase really makes a difference, like to keep going. And another thing is like when you purchase from us, they're really meaningful because everything is handmade. So like nothing is really the same. Everything is unique. So you're really giving something special.
So we directly work with filmmakers in Argentina, and ever since we've been surprised on how many people actually buy shoes from them. Like when I reorder, for example, in ballerine flat, they're always surprised with how much quantity we order. So as much as in the local community, we always want to highlight the quality. Of course, they also appreciate the quantity they get when we reorder and when people actually buy and they see people in Marikina walking around the shoes that we wear. So it's really something for them and for us that people purchase locally made products.
So I think I'd like to end by saying that we're so grateful that you're all here. We need as many storytellers as possible to amplify what we represent and you know what we advocate for, and to share lang also the love for our local craft and culture, right? I think here we're not just showcasing and sharing meaningful gifts, but on top of that, what really makes us different and what we really want to put out there is the value of all the stories behind every piece of product that you also see here. So yun, and I hope you can help us amplify our story. We want to make the most out of our last month here, get people to shop their Christmas gifts here, and also get them to also be more conscious shoppers and make and share the story and the love we put into every piece you'll see here. There you go. Again, thank you so much. Palakpakan natin lahat for being here. We'd like to open the floor for questions.